All right, so we have answered the prompts to write our semester reflection, area of strength, and area of growth. Now we're going to add all of these things onto our portfolio. What we're going to do is similar to what we've done with our project reflections. We're just going to copy and paste this stuff onto the portfolio. But we want to set up a section for it first. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click on my portfolio. I've got my introduction and my projects on here. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text box. And this is going to be the title of this section, which is going to be Fall Student-Led Conferences. And I'm going to change the color of the background of mine just to separate it from my projects section. But that's up to you if you want to do that. I'm also going to click on my title here, and you'll see how it says normal text. I'm actually going to change that to be a title so that it's a little bit bigger, and I know that that's this whole new section. All right, next I'm going to click on text box again. And I'm again going to change my background color. And now I'm going to copy and paste my semester reflection. I'm not going to copy the prompt. I'm just going to copy my answer. So, right, the questions I asked, those are the prompts. This is your answer. So I'm just going to copy my answer. Remember, to copy is Control C on your Chromebook. And then I'm going to click here and press Control V to paste. Right, so now I've got my reflection. Now I'm going to put in my area of strength and area of growth. Now remember that you want to have the answers to your prompts that you wrote here, but you also want to show the photo of whatever your area of strength and growth are. If you chose something that we did on paper, that's odd. Remember to that you're going to need to photograph that thing first, right? If it hasn't already been photographed and turned in on Google Classroom, like the projects and sketches are, you are going to have to photograph it in order to put it on here. So what I'm going to do, much like what we did up in our project section, I'm going to use one of the content blocks for my area of strength and area of growth. And I'm going to use this one that has 2 pictures and 2 sections for words. One will be my area of strength and the other will be my area of growth. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so now I can click on this plus button here, and I'm going to add the photo of my artifact that shows my area of strength. So I'm going to click on the plus button. I'm going to go to From Drive. Now, I just photographed my my work, so it's going to show up in my recents right here. If it's something you just photographed, it will show up right there. If not, you can do just like what we did with the projects up here, and go to your classroom folder, click on the class, and then find your image in here. But I'm just going to go to recent right now. And so I'm going to click on this picture. This is my area of strength. I'm going to click insert or double click on the picture. And there it is. Now you can see that I can't see the whole thing right now. So I'm actually going to drag down on this little blue dot here so I can see my whole image. There we go. All right, then right here where it says click to edit, I'm going to write area of strength. And then down here, I'm going to copy and paste what I wrote in my semester reflection prompts. Again, I'm not going to copy the questions. I'm just going to copy my answer. So I selected my answer. I press Control C to copy, come back here and press Control V to paste. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my area of growth. I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to click from Drive. Click on Recent because, again, I just took this screenshot. I'm going to click here. Click Insert or double click on the image. Trying to get the whole thing in there. Go. I'm going to click here and write area of growth. Then I'm going to come back to my semester reflection prompts, copy my answer only for the area of growth section, press Control C to copy, come back here, Control V to paste. All right, so now I've got my area of strength and my area of growth. I'm also going to make the background of this blue to match the rest of my student-led conferences section. And then I have one last thing to add. I'm going to click on text box again to add a text box. And I'm going to add my 3 things that I learned in this class this semester. So I'm going to select Control C to copy, come back here, Control V to paste, and turn the background the same as the rest. I want this to be in white. I change my color so it matches the rest. There we go. All right, so now I've got everything I need for my student-led conferences, how the class has been going, a goal that I have, my area of strength and my area of growth, and my list of 3 things that I have learned in this class this semester.